Alright guys, I'm in the shop. I'm just bringing in, y'all recognize this? I don't even want to tell y'all. See if y'all can guess it. The center console, I don't want to give any of the customer personal info away, but guys, this is a Dodge Durango 2013 model. Y'all see that light? ABS light on and the tire light on. Okay. So we got to find out why this ABS light is on. Alright, look at that. The rear view. You know what? I did a study on this, and from the people I talked to from the people I talked to that own these system, a lot of them don't even go by this, guys. You have this at your disposal, but you still much rather look at this. I don't know. Some people just ain't ready for technology. I'm one of them. I'll stick my head out the window and look back there before I don't know. It's just a perfect personal preference. But we got to figure out why this light on, guys. So what we're gonna do first? ABS pretty much. You really need to know what the fault code is. Okay. Now this is a. Let me see something. All right. From the sound of that, guys, sound like a Hemi engine, and I can't really tell. It's hard to predict what trans in it. 2013 model could have went 2 or 3 different ways. A nag one or the 6-speed rear wheel drive training, I want to say. Okay. Now this is nag one and that ABS light. ABS and nag transmissions are very related. Okay, very closely related. In fact, the speed sensors on each wheel of a car equipped with a nag one transmission, the transmission uses that signal, all right, to to measure when shifting is supposed to occur. So those speed sensors on each wheel of a car equipped with a nag one transmission is crucial. I mean, it has to be on point. I mean, the slightest thing could throw your transmission out of whack when it comes to ABS. So, like I said, I don't know what training in it, but we're gonna find out. Since talking, wasting time, JT. All right, let me get my scan tool down here. All right, now guys, let's go. Let's go to the computer, man. I'm gonna leave this on run. All right, let's get it. Alright guys, here we go. Like I said earlier, this is a 2013 Dodge Durango ABS light on. Wow, according to all this yellow, there's a lot of fault codes. I'm curious, I'm going to pick all DTCs. Look at all this. A lot of it's pertaining to battery. If the battery volt's low, it will set that code in just about every module. Okay, but they came in for ABS light on, so we're gonna zoom in on the ABS problem. Where's right here, ABS. Let's look at DTCs, and we will find, whoa, C0078. Never seen that code. Tire diameter signal invalid. Whoa, guys, and on top of that, it's active. Okay, so think about this for a second. This ABS module set a fault code for tire diameter signal invalid. Diameter signal invalid. Is pinion factor not set? Y'all have heard of pinion factor, right? That's where we manually go in and put the tire size in, so things like speedometer and stuff like that will work. And the second code is C2114, dynamic sensor supply voltage. That may have something to do with that low battery, so I will address the battery issue, but I'm more concerned with this active code C0078. Alright guys, we gotta go back to the van. This is bothering me. I've never seen this code. Tire diameter signal invalid. Unless they talking about pinion factor, but we're not gonna. Let's go look at the tires manually. Let's pay attention to the size. Tire diameter signal. Okay guys, this is bothering me. Let's head over to the car. Now, these computers are so freaking sophisticated, guys. What I want to see. Okay, can y'all see that? What is that? 255 50 R20. According to that fault code, this car has some tire side discrepancy. I can't even remember what I said just that fast. Let me see what this one. Where is it at? Where is it at? What is that, guys? Oh, where's the tire size? Hold tight, guys. I am blind. Is this it? Where is the freaking tire size? Let me go to the other side. Whoa, this looks like a different tire. Where is the size though? Okay, guys, that says, whoa, y'all see that? That's 265 50 R20. Okay, you probably can see it now. I turn my phone around. So, guys, this tire is different from the very first one. Let me go look at the right front. Where's it at? 255 50. Okay, 255 50 R20 is in the right front. So we'll just stick to this side. There's discrepancy from this side only alone. What else? What I see it at right here? 265, guys. What sophistication! This computer. Wow. 265, yes. This 265 50 R20. I'm gonna make sure I'm not seeing things. 255. Where is it at? Okay, yes, guys. These tires are wrong. Alright, not wrong, but they different size. And that's how fancy that computer is, guys. Did y'all see that? We have a fault code in the ABS module for a discrepancy in tire size. Now, well, good for this guy. They sent the salesman down here to appraise on it, so he might be getting ready to trade it in. All right, now it's a nice Durango. Has a yeah, that's the appraisal guy. I think they're upstairs talking to a salesman. Let's look and see what's going on. Okay, got a Hemi in it, so that alone should push a sale. All right, recall been done. Oh, guys, this is not a nag. This is not equipped with a nag. How I can tell? Because there's a connector in the fourth terminal of the PCM. Y'all know nag 1 transmission has its own TCM and it's housed under the steering column. So this is likely the big transmission. I can't remember the acronyms, but it's not a nag. If this was a nag transmission and that tire was on there, and we had this tire discrepancy like this, guys, this truck will likely have poor shifting. Probably likely will not even be shifting at all. That's how sensitive the nag transmissions are. All four wheels have to be the exact same size, guys. It will throw all kinds of code, drive you cuckoo, have you thinking you have transmission problems when actually you have a tire size discrepancy. All right, so yeah, but I might not have to do anything, guys, because he looked like they sent a salesman out here to appraise it. He might be getting ready to trade it in, but just so y'all know, tire size is crucial. Now, especially, guys, if this was all-wheel drive, you really will have some issues, okay? You really cannot be playing around with tire size discrepancy, all right? All four tires should be the same size. Even the thread. I mean, it's so sensitive. If one side or one tire is worn out, like all the way down slick, and the other tires are not, even though they're the same size, that's how sensitive it is. It can literally pick that up. All right, so I never got a chance to read that tire, but it doesn't matter because one size is off. So you're going to get that code and you're going to get that ABS light on, guys. So that's pretty much the way to fix that. So it's, hey, man, after 20 years, some of this stuff I pick up on is new to me. Okay, fault code for a tire size discrepancy. And what's really weird, this is not a brand new car. So that obviously has been out a while. It's just that now I'm exposed to it. Remember what I told you, guys? A guy only know or can remember what he's been exposed to. Now that I'm exposed to this, I can speak on this. I can speak on it now. But up until the end, I was never exposed to that fault code. I've never seen that fault code. Okay, but I've seen ABS light on, but never for that code. And that's pretty unique, guys, because it could stop the misdiagnostics. Okay. Yes, it can eliminate a lot of misdiagnosis. You see that code, you're going to go straight to your tire size and you're going to go from there. All right, guys, I'm wasting too much time talking too much. So they're going to trade this in, guys. So I'm not going to spend no time on it. I just wanted y'all to see that. All right, that's all I have. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.